I just sit there and did this planter, just harvest and see what was going on. And I'll link the video to it. But, this was on here and it died. This was on here and I just cut it off because I wanted to see about the fennel prongs. And it smells so good. But that reminds me of when Jesus talks about He is the vine and we are the branches so much. Now this root goes all the way down. And like I said, I'll link that video of showing where this root, it goes all the way down this whole bucket. This whole bucket. So that makes me think being planted with the Lord. When we plant ourselves with the Lord and let Him do the watering and let Him do the work and everything, He prunes off what doesn't work so that new growth right there can grow. There's a new little branch growing right there. So when we lose things, people walk out of our lives, or things move, we move and things change, it's not because it was bad, but maybe because God has something new. So I'm going to turn this around so we can see. So as He says, old things pass away, and behold, all things become new. So, and then even the good things, sometimes God removes that too, so that new growth can come. So I thought that was very interesting, in the just looking at this planter and different things and how that we can apply that to our lives and all. So just a short little Bible lesson today. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.